What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to be talking. I want to talk to you guys about um, Haggai chapter 2, verses 20 to 23. Haggai chapter 2, verses 20 to 23. I want to give you some Bible tips so you could better understand this chapter, this contextual chapter. This is packed full of a lot of information. So I want to give you some Bible tips so when you're studying this chapter, you could better understand it. So the Bible could come to life to you, and God could tell you what His lessons are to be. I'm going to give you these tips, but also by me giving you these tips, you can also check out the full interpretation of this text, talk about how it applies to your life, the reading of it over in my YouTube channel. You just type in my name that's here on the screen, and I should come up. You just go to Haggai chapter 2 verse 20 to 23, and I do a full breakdown. It's in my live section, and you can check it out. In the meantime, let me give you these Bible tips so when you're studying, you could better understand. So let me tell you a little bit about what this chapter is about. We all know that every leader needs encouragement at times. Leaders can become exhausted, overwhelmed, discouraged, and just like everyone else. They often face tremendous pressure and must regularly deal with such challenges, such as setting and achieving goals, arousing people to accept and work towards goals, continually motivating and keeping people on course, even building and maintaining trust with the people, keeping peace and unity among the people, even dealing with opposition. Most importantly, leaders face the ongoing pressure of ensuring that their missions succeed and that their projects get done. However, projects seldom unfold as planned. Numerous challenges must be met and overcome at the same time. Obstacles must be dealt with day in and day out. Oppositions from within and without must be constantly confronted. And when these daily struggles are combined with the ever present weight of responsibility, they can wear down and even crush the strongest leader. Thankfully, God knows the burden of leadership. In the present passage, the Lord speaks directly to the leaders of his people, Zerubbabel, governor of Judea, and encouraged him with two key promises. The impact of these promises stretched far into the future, but they also confirmed Zerubbabel's position then and there. In Haggai's day, Zerubbabel was God's chosen leader, the servant whom the Lord selected to lead his people in rebuilding the temple. Knowing the tremendous pressure the governor was facing and would face and would continue to face, God strengthened him with two great assurances that guarantee the governor a very special place in history of God's chosen people. The title of this message is called God's Call to His People. Believe His Promises, covered again in chapter 2, verses 20 to 23. This is broken down into two parts. What you'll see in this chapter is number one, God's promise to judge the world. You'll see that covered in verses 20 to 22. Second, you'll see God's promise to confirm Zerubbabel as his representative. This is covered in verses 23. Again, you can check out my channel over in YouTube. You just type in my name down below. Also, if you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comments below and I will answer. If this was helpful and interesting and gave you some knowledge, please hit the thumbs up button or like the video. Consider subscribing or following me so you can be notified when I upload new videos. I want to thank you for watching. Also, if you type amen in the comments, I will give you a personal message. God bless you. God bless your family. And I'll see you in the next video.